In this video, I'll be doing a review on the Maono MKP100 Bluetooth wireless karaoke microphone. Without further ado, let's get started. Before I start, I want to thank Maono for sending me this gift. Okay, this is what it comes with when they send me this. Okay, so they send me a hat and a socks and of course some letter. And so this is it. If you buy this microphone, this is what it comes with. So it comes with a microphone and with this one. So this one is the manual, and this comes with two cables, TRRS, and this must be for charging. So USB type A to USB type C. And again, this is the microphone. Now, before we do the testing, let me go over first the features of this microphone. So of course, this is the power button. There is plus and minus to increase and lower the volume. Or it could be the microphone volume or the background music. If, for example, you will be connecting this to another device as a source of your background music. And the middle button here is your control to increase or lower your mic volume, reverberation, as well as your background music volume. And this is very self-explanatory. Plus is to increase the volume and minus is to lower the volume. And now over here, so as you can see, this one here is for charging. The bottom one over there, that is for charging, to use this USB type A to USB type C. You can use a power block, the one that you use for charging your gadgets, maybe cell phone from your home, or you can connect this one to a computer also to charge your microphone. And the headphone port over here, if you, let's say, do not want other people to hear it, you can use for sure a headphone or an earphone. So you want to hear it yourself only. Maybe you want to do recording or something. And this other port over here, you can connect a background music using this cord over here, the TRRS. So that's why I have two devices on here. I'm going to show you also what would be the audio output if we will be connecting the background music from this iPad to here using this cord, and if you want to connect your background music to this microphone using wirelessly. As I mentioned earlier, this is a Bluetooth microphone, so that means you can connect that background music over here to here wirelessly without a cable. And if you are curious if it is possible for you to connect two background music at the same time, let's find out. First, let's turn this on. So just press and hold. You should hear that music. And also you will see the blinking blue light over there. That means it's turned on. Now, as you keep pressing the power button, it gives you a different mode of your vocals. So let's press it again.
Anchor.
Press it again.
Robot.
Okay, robot. By the way, to increase the volume, as I mentioned earlier, so you have to press the middle button first, this one here.
Mic volume.
And it gives you the option. So that is the mic volume. Okay, let's press again.
Super Echo.
And let's press it again.
Pro. Pop.
Okay, so this is the pop. Okay, let's press again.
Baby.
Okay, let's press again.
Default.
The default is pretty much flat without any reverberation.
Karaoke.
Okay, so now even if I set my vocals to karaoke, if you press the middle part over here,
Mic volume.
okay, that's the mic volume.
Reverb
Okay,
control.
so the reverb control, if you set it to 0, even if you selected karaoke, there won't be no reverberation. So as you can see, this is karaoke mode right now, but since we lower the reverb, then the audio output is flat. Okay, let's press again the middle one.
Mic volume.
Mic volume.
Reverb
Okay.
control.
And now let's turn it up. Okay, when you hear that sound, that means that is the max already. Sound check, testing 1, 2. So there you go. There is effects again. That is the karaoke vocal mode.
Anchor.
Okay, so we're back to Anchor. Now to connect background music from this device to this microphone, simply go to the settings of that device that you are using. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and you should see MKP100 karaoke mic, so it's the one on top there, and it says connected. So just pair them. Once they are paired, whatever you play on here, let's say karaoke song from YouTube, it will be connected to here. Okay, let me go to YouTube right now. Okay, there you go. So if I'm going to play this song over here, it should come out on here. So this one has a built-in speaker also on it. There you go. And I should say the loudness of this microphone is actually pretty decent. If you are just using this one on your living room or at your home, I think you don't need an external speaker. But of course, that is also possible, and I will be showing you that on my other videos later on. Now let me show you a quick karaoke sample. So again, what I did is I connected this background music on here from YouTube to this microphone wirelessly using Bluetooth. Okay, so I'm gonna play now over here. And there you go. So whatever you're hearing right now, that is from this phone. Sound check, testing 1, 2. And maybe I am going to select the Super Echo.
Super Echo.
Okay, so I will be using Super Echo features on here. And by the way, to control the background music, again, as I showed you earlier, you can control the background music from here or from here. Okay, let me show you to control the background music from your phone. So I'll play this one and then control it from here, wherever is the volume control from your phone. There you go. So you can lower the volume of your background music from the device itself or turn it up. Okay, so something like that. As I mentioned earlier, you can also control the background music from this microphone. Okay, so what you do is press the middle button.
Mic volume.
Okay, that's mic volume.
Reverb control.
Reverb control.
Music volume.
And then music volume. So if I play this one here, okay, and if I don't want that to be that loud, then I simply press the minus sign. There you go. It lowers it, and if I want it up again, I will press the plus. There you go. There you go. Okay, so again, you can control the background music either from the phone, from this microphone, or from the device, or from the source of the background music itself. Okay, now let me give you a short sample. Okay, so again, whatever you're hearing is from this microphone, so this is not attached to any speaker. Sound check. I was down, my dreams were wearing thin. When you're lost, where do you begin? My heart always seemed to drift from day to day, looking for the love that never come my way. And now let me show you without any background music this time. I'm going to show you the different vocal modes of this microphone. So this is now the default, and the next one is
Karaoke.
okay, so this is the karaoke soundtrack. Testing 1, 2.
Anchor.
Okay, so this is what? Anchor soundtrack. Testing 1, 2. This is Anchor.
Robot.
Okay, so this is the robot soundtrack. Testing 1, 2.
Super Echo.
Okay, so this is the Super Echo soundtrack. Testing 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Pro.
Okay, so this is the Pro soundtrack. Testing 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the Pro.
Pop.
Okay, this is the Pop soundtrack. Testing 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the Pop vocal mode.
Baby.
Okay, this is the Baby soundtrack. Testing 1, 2. Sound check.
Default.
And there you go. We're back to the default one. So those are your different voices or vocal mode when using this type of a microphone. Again, this is the Maono MKP100 wireless Bluetooth karaoke microphone. Now, as I showed you earlier, it doesn't mean that you have to connect your background music to this microphone wirelessly. As I showed you, there is another cord. So this cord that comes with it, you can use this one. So you connect one end to here. So as I showed you, to the one that's for music. And then the other end, we will connect to this iPad that I showed you earlier. So this one here, just locate the headphone port of that iPad, or it could be another phone or a tablet or even a laptop. Connect the other end to the headphone port of that device. Okay, so something like that. Let me try playing this song right now. Okay, there you go. And to control the volume, just locate the volume control of that device. Okay, so something like that. Lower it or turn it up. There you go. Now the difference, if you are going to connect your background music using Bluetooth, as I showed you earlier, you are able to control the volume of your background music from this device here and plus this microphone over here. Now, if you use this cable over here, it seems that you can only control the background music from the source of the music, not from here. As I showed you earlier, we were able to lower or increase the volume of the background music from this iPad. Okay, let's play it. And then you can lower it from here, from this device. So something like that. Or turn it up. Okay, something like that. Okay, let's pause it. If you want to check if you can lower it from here or turn it up, okay, let's do it.
Mic volume.
Okay, that's the mic.
Reverb control.
Reverb control.
Music volume.
Music volume. Okay, let's play this one. Okay, and if you want to turn it up, nothing is happening. Even to lower it, to turn it to 0, there you go. So nothing is happening. So what I'm trying to point is, if you connect your background music from a device connected to this microphone using Bluetooth, then you can control the volume from that device plus the microphone. But if you are going to use this cord over here, you can only control the background music wherever is the source of that, and you cannot control the volume of the background music from this microphone. And now let me show you a short sample using a karaoke vocal mode from this microphone using the background music from this iPad. Darling, can't you see what losing you has done to me? I'm not the same girl I used to be. Okay, there you go. Again, as I showed you earlier, this one is connected to here using this cord, and this phone here is connected to here using Bluetooth. Okay, let's play this one first to show you. Oh, give me a second. I think we have to turn it on. There you go. Okay, and now let me show you, this one is connected to here using this cord. Okay, there you go. So they're both connected. If you are curious if it is possible to play them both at the same time, it is possible. Okay, let me show you. There you go. Okay, let's pause. Okay, there you go. So as you notice, it is possible to play them both. So maybe it's something else. Maybe it's is a mashup of something, not maybe for singing, maybe for something else. But I just wanted to show you that it is possible. So anyway, if you have two sources of background music, would be great. So that, let's say, for example, you're almost done on here, then you can prepare the next song from here. And then once you're almost done here, or whoever is singing, then you can prepare the next song from here. And it would be nice if you have a longer cord of this one. So this device doesn't have to be so close to you, especially if you're having a karaoke party at your home or wherever. And that is all I can share for today. Thanks again, guys, for watching. I hope this video gives you an idea or overview as to what features, as to what to expect if you buy this type of microphone, which is the Maono MKP100 wireless Bluetooth karaoke microphone. If you like this type of video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want more of this type of video, consider subscribing if you haven't done yet, and hit the notification bell so you are always updated for all the upcoming videos I will be posting. Keep safe, and until next time.